for this much coins, right?
Who would?
The manager for Toys R Us.
The manager for Toys R Us would try for that much?
Yeah, and try. Right?
Yeah. How many toys could you buy with that?
1,090.
Wow, that is so many.
But I would do some other things.
Like what?
Give some money to people.
Oh.
I'll put a quarter in each person, and I'm going to even more than I'm ready to go to my brother. Okay?
Okay.
He will be nice to me, right? I think so.
Yeah.
And it's my birthday.
Yeah. You should be.
Flowers.
It keeps going and going. You are
Yeah.
so rich. You think you're the richest kid?
I think I have to move up this.
That's hard work, putting all that out there, huh?
Yeah, and look at how much I still have.
You still have a lot left to do.
I'll be rich. I'll be super duper rich. Right?
Oh, yes.
See how much I still have. Mama, too. When I just look at this, it's complete awesomeness. Right?
Yeah. It really is complete awesomeness.
One got in the dirt.